Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for basicbookreaders.com. Today I just want to show you a quick comparison between the browser that you get on Kobo Aura HD and Kindle Fire HD. It's not going to be a fair comparison. I just want to show you guys how these browsers work. So I loaded up our own site. I'm just going to push the button at the same time and see which one goes faster. As you can see, our site loads faster on Kobo Aura HD than Kindle Fire HD, and there's a good reason for that. It's not because Kobo has a faster browser per se. First of all, it's a lightweight browser. At the same time, our site is designed in a way that it loads only a mobile version on certain devices. So Kobo is getting registered as a smartphone, whereas Kindle Fire HD is getting registered as a regular computer, so you get the full layout. Now we have a responsive layout, which works fine on tablets, but the problem is it's going to be slower, whereas the mobile version is going to be much faster. As far as how responsive it is, you can go to next posts. I wouldn't say it's perfect, and this is just our own site. We can try something else. Let's say it is pretty fast, I should say. It's not exactly responsive. The images don't load fast. But at the same time, for an e-reader, what happened there? Sort of actually messed up the page. Interesting. So it does work and shows the images, shows the slideshow. It's not the most responsive. Your Kindle Fire is going to be more responsive, as you can see here. The other one, you can tell that the browser has some issues loading the page, refreshing the page, but it does load it fast. So that's nice. If you are worried that maybe if someone, let's say, comes to your website, if you're a webmaster, it's always gratifying to know that your site is going to load fast on all these devices. Now, our site doesn't really load that fast on Kindle Fire. I'm hoping to change that. It's a whole lot of scripts that we're running, and we have to do some more optimizations. But on Kobo Fire HD, for Kobo Aura HD, it actually loads fast. So now I'm not sure how many people are going to buy this device. $169 ebook reader, but if you're buying it, probably most sites are going to load decent unless their server is messed up and they have some issues. Maybe sites are not accessible. Let's try something else. Let's try Amazon. Now these are all well-known sites, and I'm assuming that you're not gonna do research. You're not gonna go to forums to try and find stories. So it's loading a mobile version of Amazon, I believe. It's not great, it's not terrible. You decide if it's good enough for browsing. I think it's good enough for browsing. Whether it's good enough for doing business, that's something else. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, please check our other video on Kobo Aura. And for more information, accessories, tips on this device and our devices, please go to bestebookreaders.com. Thanks very much for watching, guys.